Let's talk about keyboard shortcuts in Lucidchart. A quick glance through the keyboard shortcut list, which you can find by clicking the Help menu or pressing F1, shows you that all of your favorite shortcuts like Command-C to copy, Command-Z to undo, Command plus or minus to zoom in and out, those will all work in Lucidchart. Today, I want to show you 5 of my all-time favorite keyboard shortcuts in Lucidchart. Just a quick note, I'm using a Mac, so my keyboard shortcuts typically include the Command key, but will include PC equivalent shortcuts on the screen, and usually it's just as simple as hitting Control instead of hitting Command. The first keyboard shortcut I use every time I work in Lucidchart is the spacebar shortcut. Press and hold the spacebar, then use your mouse scroll wheel to zoom in and out of the canvas. You can also press and hold the spacebar, then click and drag your mouse to move around the canvas. This makes it really easy to navigate around your diagram. Number 2 is a super easy way to copy a shape on the canvas. If I'm building something quick, I'll grab my first shape, format it the way that I want, then press and hold Alt while I click and drag the original shape. As you can see, this copies an exact replica of the shape. I'll pull a few of these out, and now I can just adjust the text and quickly create my diagram. Next up, shortcut number 3 has to do with formatting. If you're like me, you might get fixated on lines that have these tiny elbow joints. One way to fix this is to click and hold Shift while you're drawing out a line. That way you get a straight line connecting your shapes. Alternately, and here's shortcut number 4, you can move your shapes to correct those uneven lines. You can use the arrow keys to move shapes. Just select the shape and then use the arrow keys to move the shape in any direction. But if you want more precise movements, select the shape you want to move, then press and hold Shift while you press the arrow keys. This will help you make really small changes in the position of your shape. The last shortcut is Control plus Spacebar. No Mac users, you read that right. If you're on a Mac, you're probably used to using the Command plus Spacebar shortcut to access your search. But pressing Control plus Spacebar in Lucidchart opens a similar feature called Feature Find. You can then type in what you're looking for, maybe it's how to add a bulleted list, or where to find conditional formatting, and Feature Find shows you where to find the feature you're looking for. You can really take this shortcut to the next level by pressing Control plus Spacebar to open the Feature Find, then searching for the shape library that you want to use, and then just pushing Enter to automatically add the shape library to your toolbox. I can turn shape libraries off the exact same way. Genius, right? Check out more shortcuts by pressing F1 and discovering how you can save time and work faster in Lucidchart.